Hello, my friends. If you've been watching my video for a while, you know that I like Cadbury cream eggs. You know this thing that comes out every Easter time? Well, have you ever heard of the cream egg's sister called Cadbury cream eggs in cookie form? It's a limited edition biscuit. Comes with 6 biscuits here, and you see it's a cookie with soft fondant centers. It's covered in chocolatey coating. Here's what it looks like. I'm really curious to see what's in the package, how it actually looks, but if you're not sure what the original looks like, let's take a quick look right now. Okay, so we've got this little container. We open it up, and we see a cream egg, right? You know this. But let's take a look. Let's unbox these cookies. All right, so we see there are 6 biscuits. There are 2 in each level. These ones here are a little stuck. And these presumably look like the original chocolate eggs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it open for you so you can see what it looks like. Okay. Give it a little cut. So you already hear it sounds pretty crispy. Let me move this out of the way a little bit. So here is what the cookie looks like. We see the yolk center there and the cream. This is notably less runny than the original egg. Let me show you what that looks like. When you give it a little cut, I'm going to cut it right here, just a little bit in the center. Ooh. So when I cut that, we can see some comes off on the knife, and this is what the egg looks like. So this one's not too runny. It might be because it's a little cold, but basically it looks the same. But the one difference is, if you take a closer look, you can kind of see the cookie, the crispy cookie biscuitness of it all, right? So I'm gonna give this a little taste test and let you guys know. Actually, you know what? I think I like this much better. And the reason why, because I find this to be very sweet. So chocolate obviously is sweet, but I find the center to be extremely sweet. But what I like about this, and I think it has to do with the fact that there's some biscuit in it, it kind of counteracts the sweetness. So I would give this, oh, and also what I like about it too is that the ratio of creaminess to cookie and chocolate is more 1-to-1 versus the cream egg. It's mostly cream, and the cream I find to be very sweet and just a little bit of chocolate. So I think this is probably a better deal if you're not so much into things that are too sweet. Now, prior to open the bag, let me see. So 2 cookies have 160 calories. So each cookie has 80 calories. And you know what, to be honest, I'm not quite sure of how many calories are in this. You know what I'll do when I'm editing this? I'll find out how many calories are in here and I'll put it on the screen so you can see I'll put up the numbers up so you can see. But I think that if you like the taste of cream eggs and you're not too much a fan of things that are too sweet, I think that this is the deal for you. So once again, this is the Cadbury Cream Egg Limited Edition cookies with soft fondant center covered in chocolatey coating. So give this a try. You can get this at your stores now. Again, it's ready for Easter. So I would suggest this to you if you're not too much of a fan of these originals that come in these little cups here. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching Yay Fun Times, and I'll see you later with the newest video. Bye.